All right, I got the Green Ranger done. It's looking freaking sweet. I wish it would fit my head. It fits my head just fine. That's not the issue. My head fits in there just fine. It's the back. It's the back that my neck is too thick. But I got the visor on. I used some $2 sheet from Hobby Lobby. The $2 sheet from Hobby Lobby were great. I printed out the visor for my 3D printer, and it kind of did an outline for it, and then was able to put it in here with some hot glue, and works really, really good. So I'm very, very happy with this, how this turned out. It's probably just going to sit in my man room and just be a showcase piece, but I definitely am going to do another one. There's some things I would like tweak with how I did this one, some things I would do differently, and definitely obviously the neck. But the gray, I like the gray, but I would really like to have it silver, so I'm going to find a spray paint that is silver and a little bit brighter, and I think that will really pop. But I think the gray does just fine with it. It's a really cool helmet. It's a really cool design. Dio3D did a good job on that, and I used some leftover taillight tint that I have laying around that I wrapped my car with, and so that worked out really well, and it turned out pretty well. And I can't wait to make the Black Ranger. The Black Ranger helmet is going to be next, and I'm hoping that fits my neck. So I might just have a lot of just showcase Power Ranger ones and not ones that I can necessarily wear. But my kids can wear this for sure. They have smaller heads, and my wife can wear this too. Her neck is not as thick as mine. Imagine that. But I'm very, very happy with it. I'm very happy with it turned out. And my next video will be the Black Ranger, hopefully. And I'll get that started here in the next day or two or over the weekend. Thanks. Bye.